ayan na. Check natin ang ginawa kong apple pie. Maganda, umalsa masyado. Ayan. Ayan, umuusok pa oh. Tingnan natin oh, very soft. Ayan oh. Very soft. Ayan oh. Assalamualaikum everyone. Another video or vlog for today. And these are all the ingredients. I'm going to make apple pie. So these are all the ingredients. 2 apples and this is evaporated milk. But I will not use this one. Only I have to use 100 ml of evaporated milk. And this is 7 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 organic eggs, and half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is yeast, 1 teaspoon. So I'm going to, first I have to lukewarm this milk and dilute this yeast and sugar. Then mix all together the ingredients. Except this apple. I have to peel out and slice this one and put in frying pan. So I'm gonna start now to make my recipe for today. Assalamualaikum everyone. My today's vlog for today is about I'm going to make apple pie. So these are all the ingredients. This is 300 grams of all-purpose flour. This is already sifted, and 2 apples and milk pack or evaporated milk. I have to use only 100 ml of milk pack and 7 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 organic eggs, half cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. So first I'm gonna look hot, not too much hot, just only warm this milk together with this yeast and sugar. So I'll start now my recipe for today. So these are the 3 eggs. We have to beat this one. And then this is already lukewarm milk with sugar and yeast. Now we have to put this one here together. And this is baking powder. And this is cooking oil. And this is all-purpose flour. So we have to mix all this one together. And then we have to leave this one for 30 minutes. I already mixed well, so we leave this one for more than 30 minutes para maganda yung pagkaalsa niya. Ayan. I already put oil here. If you have butter, much better, but I don't have butter, so I use cooking oil. And this is already the peeled slices of apples. So ilagay na natin ito. Occupy natin lahat itong frying pan. Nadamihan ko yata ng oil, cooking oil. Pero okay lang. Basta occupy natin lahat itong frying pan. Ayan, nilagay ko na lahat yung slices of apples. Pero merong extra, yung 2 apples. So, ibaliktad natin ito para pantay yung pantay ang luto. Baliktad natin. Baliktad natin isa-isa. Ayan, nabaliktad ko na. So, ibuhos na natin itong na-mix na ingredients na may flour. Ano pa ba ito? Yung eggs. Tapos, milk. Sugar. At saka, ano pa yung minix ko dito? Ayan. Nilipat ko na dito sa pugon sa chimney So, i-check natin kung ano, luto na yung sa baba para i-change side natin. So, ayan. So, ano natin, i-change side, balik-tarin para yung ito sa ibabaw ay sa ilalim ulit. So, ito na change side na. Ayan. So, luto natin uli ito ng ilang minutes para yung sa ibabaw uli is magiging ano uli sa taas. So ito na yung ilalim, nakikita nyo yung mga slices of apples dyan. Pero hindi naman masyado sunog, okay lang, tamtaman lang. So ito na yung ilalim, nakikita nyo yung mga slices of apples dyan. So bisikan ito natin ng grinded sugar. Ayan. Apple pie. So, slice natin ang apple pie.